Let's open up a Connect Box and take a look at what's inside. The first thing you'll see is a welcome letter with some basic info to get you started. Next, you'll find some packing material, including an anti-static bag that contains several types of RFID tags. Inside the anti-static bag, Duratec marker. This tag comes with an adhesive backing, just peel and stick. There are 2 included. Slim flex tags. These have holes on each end so you can attach them using zip ties, string, cord, or other fasteners. 2 are included. Micro boxes. These also have an adhesive backing and were originally developed as RFID tags for fire hydrants. To apply, peel off the backing and stick it to the underside of the surface. They've been tested on hydrants for years and hold up well. Axle tags. These come with both adhesive backing and 2 mounting holes for screws so you can attach them securely to any surface. Underground tags. You'll find 2 underground tags along the sides. These are designed to be buried and feature a magnet on top for easier locating. They're effective at depths between 18 to 24 inches. Also included is the RFID reader box, which contains instructions, a guide on what's included, how to assemble it, insert the battery, and charge the device. The reader includes a battery. To insert it, remove the trigger to access the battery compartment. Make sure to align the battery contacts correctly. The charging block comes with interchangeable ends for use in different countries, supporting global deployment. Plug the USB-A cable into the charging block and connect it to a power outlet. The other end, which is keyed, plugs into the back of the reader for charging. And that's everything you'll find in a Connect box.